Welcome to SmeeHee. In this short video, we're going to look at the advantage of a customer being your customer. We're going to give you a crash course in online marketing and show you some of the powerful and effective marketing and customer retargeting techniques that you can use even with a small marketing budget. We will automatically connect your website to Google Analytics. You'll need a Google account which is free in order to have access to the statistics for your website. Google Analytics is a great tool for showing you how your website is performing. It will show you where your customers are coming from, what pages and products they're looking at, as well as what your audience demographics are. Our motto is your customer, your rules. But what exactly do we mean by this? When you have your own website, you're in control of your customer data. This may not seem important now, but let me show you just how powerful this is. If you're not a tech-savvy person, then you probably won't even be aware of what we're about to show you and how powerful and important it is to be in control of this information. There are three main reasons why you want to be in control of your customer's information. The first reason, because every time a potential customer or visitor visits your website, you can set up what is called a tracking cookie. This is a small bit of code that will track your visitor as they navigate around your website. We recommend that you set up tracking cookies for both Facebook and Google. Just a quick side note, if you have your menu on a different website like Just Eat or Deliveroo or any other website, then you're giving all of this customer information over to them instead of having it where it needs to be in your control. You can be sure that these companies will be doing exactly what we're about to show you next on their website, but the big difference is they won't care if their customer uses your restaurant or one of your competitors. So once you have your tracking cookies in place, you'll be able to create what are called audiences. Picture this scenario. A visitor comes to your website, they have a look at your menu, they add some items to your shopping cart, but for whatever reason, they didn't continue with the checkout process. You can tell Facebook and Google that you want to track any visitor who has visited your shopping cart page but hasn't visited your order thank you page, and that you want to put them into a custom audience. You're now generating an audience which can be retargeted later, and in this case, you would want to create an ad which would give an incentive for your visitor to continue with the checkout process. Maybe a coupon code with a short expiry date for free delivery, for example. This is just one example of how you can use remarketing to bring a potential customer back to your website to continue with a purchase when normally this customer would have been lost. The second reason you want to be in control of your visitor information is so that you can control your customers better. Let's give you an example of how this would work. With every order you receive through your website, you capture an important piece of information from your customer, their email address. Why is this so important? So you can bombard them with email after email telling them they need to order something from you? Probably not, that's not the best idea. Picture this scenario instead. You have a regular customer who places an order with you at least once a month. Suddenly, they don't order from you for a while. What happened? You have no way of knowing why they've suddenly stopped ordering, but you can do something about it. By knowing your customer's email address, you will know two vital pieces of information. As we've already mentioned, you will know their email address so you can contact them with either an email or with the targeted ad, and you will also know the last time this particular customer visited your order thank you page. In other words, the last time they placed an order with your restaurant. You can now set up a campaign which would automatically send a special offer for any customer who hasn't ordered within say 3 months or 6 months. The time frame, the campaign, the amount of money you spend on getting new customers and keeping existing customers is entirely up to you. This is exactly what we mean when we say we help put you back in control of your customers. Don't give this important information to your competitors. The final reason why you want to be in control of your customer information is so that you can let them know of any special promotions you may have. You don't want to overdo this one, but you definitely want to let them know if you do any special promotions for specific dates like Valentine's Day, Christmas, or any other special holidays. Heck, even letting your customers know your Christmas period opening hours is something which would generate extra business for your restaurant. Although you have your customer's email address, you don't have to just limit communication to emails. Another powerful but overlooked thing you can do with this information is to create a custom audience on Google and Facebook which just contains your customers. You can upload a list of all your customers to both Google and Facebook, and then the two social powerhouses will match up these email addresses to actual user accounts. From there, you can use these audiences to send ads with information, special offers, and anything else you would like to share with your customers. Mix it up, engage with your customers, and you'll be able to generate a loyal customer base which, when nurtured properly, can serve you for years. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do when you own your customer and visitor information. Don't give it away so easily. Please note that when you purchase a support package with SmeeHee, we will set up your Google Analytics and we will set up your tracking cookies for Google and Facebook. It will remain your responsibility to create any custom audiences, ads and emails. We can provide these services if required, however they are not included in our standard support packages and there would be additional charges. As always, just contact us for more details on how we can help you with your online marketing campaigns and strategies. If you're new to working online, our advice is to concentrate on your website and serving your customers first. These marketing campaigns will be waiting and available to you when you want to take your e-commerce website to the next level. Thanks for watching, bye for now.